Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is certificate templates in CDR file. That's mean these files are Coral Draw and these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and by now for lifetime iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so here is 270 plus atoms are 17. All files are fully editable. For example, I open this one in Coral Draw, unlock layer, and you see we can change everything. Remove this one and write your own name. Okay, or change color. Here is it sign. You see certificate. Okay, or change color, depend your choice. That means these are editable file. Okay, now, and here is a vertical certificate. Amazing. Unlock. You see here is the shadow. Okay, that's mean you can edit everything. Here color certificate. Here is the text. Write anything. Okay, now same thing here. First unlock and write anything. Okay, now wow, change color, depend your own choice. That's mean these are editable. I say again, download this app for password. All password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and share with your friend. Take care. Allah Hafiz.